Good morning.
Bringing a load in. I'm just tripping on this machine, sweeping the floor with box springs that are broken.
So good morning. I've got a load of railings and an old soda machine. This wasn't driving back and forth to work, but kind of was. Some people know what I do, and I'll grab the stuff for nothing. The railings come from a fabricator, and he lets me know when he's got a big pile, and it's right around very close to where I live. And this Coke machine came from a friend's business, and believe me, he and his family helped load it on the truck because my old buddy ain't gonna get it up here. I also, you kind of can see I keep boards underneath it because otherwise it'll stick to the truck bed. And it's hard for any human being, especially this old fart, to move it out. So let's go dump it. Check out the mountain of steel. Let's go to work.
Well, we got it all out. Boy, those things are heavy. Let's get weighed.
All right, everybody, remember, like, share, subscribe, comment. So we're still getting paid $135 a gross ton. Our total weight, though, was like, holy moly, 1,260 pounds. Gave us a quick run today of $75.94. And again, letting people know what you do, and they hit me up, and I hauled it out for free. That's not too bad. A little over an hour's work, not too shabby. Hey, be safe out there. Strap those loads down. Talk to you soon on the next one. Coach Costa out.